Hello, today the five topics I'm going to discuss are the first one is renaming Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, three of them were renamed 2 years back, and let us see the old names and the new renamed names of these islands. And the first island is Ross Island. So, Ross Island of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, and the second island is Nail Island. It is renamed as Shahid Dweep, and the third Havelock Island is renamed as Swaraj Deep. These are the old and new names of the three islands that were renamed. And the renaming process was done in the year 2018 by our Prime Minister at a function in 2018 at Port Blair. So, Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And the second topic is Azad Hind Government. So Azad Hind Government was a provisional government, as this was set up even earlier than our original government that we had soon after our independence. So this is called a provisional government. So this was set up in the year 1943, October 1943, and it was very short-lived. Its lifespan was only for 2 years, so it was de-established again in the year 1945. The person behind the setting up of this Azad Hind government was Subhash Chandra Bose, and this government had a motto. The motto of this Azad Hind government was unity, faith, and sacrifice. So this is the motto of Azad Hind government. And this government, as this is a provisional government, this had a provisional capital at Port Blair, and Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. And Singapore was the first place, the first country where Azad Hind government was set up. And Japan helped Subhash Chandra Bose to put this Azad Hind government. So Japan forces helped for the very formation of Azad Hind government. So in this view, Singapore and Japan are very important while reading about this government. And the third topic is ISC, Indian Science Congress. And as the name suggests, this is held in India. This is deemed to be the world's largest science meet. And ISC 2019 was the 106th edition of Indian Science Congress, and this was held at Punjab, Jalandhar place at Punjab, in the state of Punjab. And Prime Minister is the person who inaugurates this Indian Science Congress. And every year we have a theme for our meet. The theme of this last year's Science Congress was Future India Science and Technology. So how science and technology is important for the better future of India. Future India is going to be all about all in the hands of science and technology. So this is the theme. And the very latest recent one is held in Bangalore, in the state of Karnataka. This is this 107th edition of Indian Science Congress. The theme of this recent latest edition is Science and Technology Rural Development. So the earlier one was Science and Technology for the better future of the country, and now it is about Science and Technology for the rural development of the country. And the fourth topic is Sentinelly. Sentinelly is the name of a tribal group belonging to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And this Sentinelly tribe is also called with other names like Sentinelese tribe or North Sentinel Islanders. They are called North Sentinel Islanders because there are some islands with the name North Sentinel Island in the Bay of Bengal belonging to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And this Sentinelese tribe is designated as particularly vulnerable tribal group. They are particularly vulnerable because they are very few in their numbers. They are just deemed to be in between 50 to 200 as on today. So they are very particularly vulnerable tribe, and in India any tribal group we designate them with this word scheduled tribe. So they are scheduled tribe, and broadly they are initially and originally they are Andamanese people. And this North Sentinel Island is declared as tribal reserve by the government of India in the year 1956. The reason being, this tribal group is a very vulnerable group and they must not be disturbed by human interventions. So the government of India gave this tribal reserve status to North Sentinel Islands, and this gives it a protection in the way that no human expedition or no one is allowed to enter into the shores of North Sentinel Islands beyond 3 miles closer to the shores. So this is about sentinels. And the fifth topic for today is IRSDC. The full form of IRSDC is Indian Railway Station Development Corporation. So this is the full form of it, and this is a special purpose vehicle. So special purpose vehicle is meant to have a special purpose to do a special job under the government of India. So this is a special purpose vehicle, and the job, this purpose of this IRSDC is to develop new railway stations and to redevelop the existing old ones. And redeveloping the existing old ones in the sense bringing new technology into this development and bringing world-class technology and making the old railway stations, rejuvenating them into the world-class technology railway stations. And this has come up with an act called Companies Act of 1956. So this is the act under which IRSDC came into existence. So the birthday of IRSDC is on April 12th, 2012. So only from 2012 this special purpose vehicle under Government of India with the name IRSDC has started its work. So these are the 5 topics for today, and thank you.